Today, Ganja City Appeals Court held a preliminary hearing on the case of youth activist Bakhtiar Hajiev. The judge Chingiz Mamadov presided over the hearing. Bakhtiar Hajiev, his lawyer Alay Pasanov, and other well-known lawyers and media representatives attended the hearing. Lawyer Alay Pasanov filed several motions at the beginning of the hearing. These include introduction of the decision issued by the Court of First Instance to the defendant's side, replacement of Hajiev's imprisonment with release on bail. The judge only granted the motion requesting the copy of the first instance court decision. The next hearing was scheduled to 12 p.m. July 5, 2011. Ganja City Court sentenced youth activist Bakhtiar Hajiev to 2 years in jail on May 18, 2011, charging with him dodging military service. It is widely thought that Hajiev was arrested for his activity on social networking sites and his support of the March 11 Great People's Day campaign.